slide you had that like screaming and shouting is always going to cause damage. Is there a way to sing like the kind of music that I do in a healthy way?
Yes, yes. Screaming is a different use of the vocal cords. They vibrate like this. Well, when you're screaming, they're so tight together that they can barely move. So when they let go, they do this, and then they slap back together. Not fun for your poor little vocal cords. So it would mean a lot of power here. So if I do something like, come on, whoa, whoa. So I would have you do, be a guy, a thug from Brooklyn. I don't know if you've ever been to Brooklyn, but they stand on the street going, yo, hey, yo. So you get that kind of depth, yo. And that translates into a shout that isn't damaging.